Hi students, this is NMB Prasad, Maths faculty. Today we are going to discuss about arithmetico-geometric progression. Arithmetico-geometric progression, yes. So it is a combination of arithmetic progression and geometric progression. The combination of arithmetic and geometric progression together only called as arithmetico-geometric progression. So here, while discussing about arithmetico-geometric progression, first we have discussed about the general form. The general form of it is simply called as AGP. Arithmetico-geometric progression is also called as AGP or arithmetic geometric series. Arithmetico-geometric series. So here general form is A plus D into R, A plus 2D into R square, A plus 3D into R cube, and so on. Plus and so on. See here, first term is A, next second term is A plus D into R, A plus 2D into R square, A plus 3D into R cube, plus and so on. So here infinite terms will be, number of terms will be infinite. So here A is the first term, D is the common difference of AP, and R is the common ratio of GP. Common ratio of GP. Here the condition of R must be, mod R must be not equal to 1. Nothing but here minus 1 less than R less than 1. So this R value must be lies between minus 1 to 1. Then only you are going to get the, you can find out the sum of infinite terms and sum of n terms in AGP. Here, this is T1, T2, T3, T4. This is T4. This is T3, third term. This is fourth term. Here, when we are going to discuss about fourth term, A plus 3D, nothing but 4 minus 1 into D, R power 3. Nothing but here Tn is equal to plus and so on plus A plus n minus 1 into D into R power n minus 1. R power n minus 1. This is the general form of AGP. So in this mainly we are going to discuss about sum of n terms in AGP, sum of infinite terms in AGP. Of course, this is the nth term in AGP. So Tn is equal to, here Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D into R power n minus 1. R power n minus 1. This is the nth term in AGP. Nth term in AGP. In this mainly we are going to discuss about, so already I told you here, so nth term in AGP as well as infinite terms in AGP. First we are going to discuss about sum of infinite terms in AGP. Later we can able to find sum of n terms in AGP. So sum of infinite terms in AGP. If you want to find the sum of infinite terms in AGP, here we need to get one AGP. That is, let it be S is equal to A plus D into R plus A plus 2D into R square plus and so on to infinity. Number of terms will be infinite. So this is about S. Here what is R? R is the common ratio. So here common ratio R, I am going to multiply both sides. Multiply R on both sides. If you are going to multiply R on both sides, multiply R on both sides. We get, sorry, RS is equal to, here, for these two, I am going to multiply R on both sides. So one step I am going to write front. So instead of writing here, so one step move forward I am going to write. So here A multiply with R is AR. But here I am writing here. AR plus A plus D into R is multiplying with R is A plus D into R square. That I am writing next. A plus D into R square plus and so on to infinity. Now these two I am going to be subtract. So here minus, minus. Symbol is going to be changed. So here S minus RS is equal to, this is A plus, here A plus D into R minus AR. So check it here, A plus D into R minus AR. So take R as common, then you are going to get here dr. this is dr plus again a plus 2d into r plus minus a minus of a minus a plus d into r. So when you are going to multiply with a minus means minus a minus d into r square minus a plus a diff. So 2d minus d again dr. Here also what you are going to get here actually. So this is dr. Again next what you are going to get again dr. So on to infinity. Each and every term what you are going to get dr. Every term is going to get dr and so on. So here s of 1 minus r is equal to a plus what is that? Every term is dr. Sorry, not dr d into r dr. So dr and so on dr. So here take d as common. If you are going to take d as common, r plus r square r cube and so on. So here r square because this is dr square kada. R square dr square plus next r cube plus and so on to infinity. So on to infinity. Now here s of 1 minus r is equal to a plus d into this is by seeing this one we are going to get infinite terms in GP because it is GP kada. That is why so infinite terms in GP formula is s infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r. Here common here r ratio is r only. R square by r is nothing but r. R cube by r square is also r. Common ratio is r only. So here first term is what? A is equal to r. Nothing but r by 1 minus r. R by 1 minus r. So here s is equal to a plus a by 1 minus r plus this is d into r dr by this is also coming to down nothing but 1 minus r already there. Here already 1 minus r coming to here. Then we are going to get 1 minus r whole square. Nothing but s infinity. Sum of infinite terms in AGP is equal to a by 1 minus r plus dr by 1 minus r whole square. This is the formula for sum of infinite terms in AGP. Sum of infinite terms in AGP. Here the condition of r is here r mod r must be not equal to 1 means minus 1 less than or less than 1. The value of r must be lies between minus 1 to 1. Then only we can able to find sum of infinite terms in AGP a by 1 minus r plus dr by 1 minus r whole square. Here condition of r is minus 1 less than or less than 1. Next we will discuss about sum of n terms in AGP. Sum of n terms in AGP means first we have to get AGP. S is equal to a plus d into r plus a plus 2d into r square plus a plus 3d and so on plus a plus n minus 1 into d of r power n minus 1. R power n minus 1. Here this is nth term in AGP, but nth term in AGP before term what you are going to get? So a plus n minus 2 into d r power n minus 2. That term also I am going to write for our convenience purpose. What is the term? And so on plus a plus n minus 2 into d of r power n minus 2 plus a plus n minus 1 into d of r power n minus 1. R power n minus 1. So this is sum of n terms. Now same. So when you are going to multiply common ratio r on both sides, multiply r on both sides. Rs is equal to one step forward. So after writing, doing here one space and skipping to one step after. So a into r, a writing instead of writing here, write here. A plus d into r means a plus d into r square and so on plus so this one we are going to multiply with r means we have to write it here. Before term multiplying with r means write it here. So this term multiplying with r means here we have to write. So and so on plus this term going to multiply with r means a plus n minus 2 into d of r power n minus 1. R power n minus 2 into r means how much? R power n minus 1. R power n minus 1 plus one more term will be. Here one more term is what? Here this one multiplying with r means a plus n minus 1 into d of r power n. Now these two going to be subtract minus. So s minus rs is equal to, this is a, symbol is going to be changed, minus minus minus, and this is also minus and this is also minus. So here a plus d into r minus a, nothing but minus a minus a got it, dr plus a plus 2d minus of a minus minus a minus d means dr square plus dr cube and so on, plus here what you are going to get, these two, this one as well as this one. So a plus nd minus d into r power n minus 1, nothing but here denominator minus a plus nd minus 2d into r power n minus 1. You know r power n minus 1 as common, so here minus minus plus, these two cut it, plus nd minus nd also cut it. So 2d minus d, nothing but d into r power n minus 1 and so on, plus d into r power n minus 1 plus class system. So a minus a plus n minus 1 into d of r power n. So here when you are taking s as common, 1 minus r is equal to a plus, take t as common, r plus r square plus r cube and so on, plus r power n minus 1, and minus this is additional, a plus n minus 1 into d of r power n. Nothing but this is GP, geometric progression. So here first term is r, common ratio is also r. So s of 1 minus r is equal to a plus d into s infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r. Then r must be lies between minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 less than r less than 1 condition. So here a by 1 minus r, a means r by 1 minus r. R by 1 minus r. Minus last term also there here. A plus n minus 1 into d of r power n. So s is equal to, here 1 minus r sent to down, a by 1 minus r, a by 1 minus r plus dr by 1 minus r whole square minus a plus n minus 1 into d of r power n. So this is the, and this 1 minus r sent to here also, no? By 1 minus r. This 1 minus r related to everything. Here a by 1 minus r, here 1 minus r already there, 1 minus r and 1 minus r, 1 minus r whole square, and this one whole by 1 minus r. So this is the formula for sum of n terms in AGP. Sum of n terms in AGP. Thank you. So here the condition of r, is minus 1 less than r less than 1, or else mod r is not equal to 1. So this is the sum of n terms in AGP. So in next video we are going to discuss about the problems in AGP. Sum of n terms in AGP or some infinite terms in AGP. Thank you.